Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super useful for all of you who are enrolled in the Infosys Springboard Artificial Intelligence course. I just completed and recorded the entire assessment for the AI course. And in this video, I'm sharing all the solutions step by step. Whether you're preparing for your own test or just want to cross-check your answers, this video will help you out big time. So make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and coding-related content. Let's get started. Question 1. Who coined the term artificial intelligence? Option A, Alan Turing. Option B, John McCarthy. Option C, Marvin Minsky. Option D, Herbert A. Simon. The correct answer is option B, John McCarthy. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of an AI expert system used in medicine? Option A, Watson. Option B, AlphaGo. Option C, GPT. Option D, Mycin. The correct answer is option D, Mycin. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. What was the significant achievement of Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon in 1967? Option A, creation of the first AL language. Option B, development of the general problem solver. Option C, introduction of reinforcement learning. Option D, launch of the AL-powered virtual assistant. The correct answer is option B, development of the general problem solver. Let's move to the next question. Question 4. When you ask Siri or Alexa a question, which AL technology do they use to understand and respond? Option A, machine learning. Option B, deep learning. Option C, natural language processing, NLP. Option D, reinforcement learning. The correct answer is option C, natural language processing, NLP. Let's move to the next question. Question 5. What is the main purpose of neural networks in deep learning? Option A, to provide internet connectivity. Option B, to store large amounts of data. Option C, to mimic the human brain's ability to understand complex problems. Option D, to make simple calculations faster. The correct answer is option C, to mimic the human brain's ability to understand complex problems. Let's move to the next question. Question 6. If a computer program is learning to play chess by receiving points for good moves and losing points for bad moves, which type of learning is it using? Option A, supervised learning. Option B, unsupervised learning. Option C, reinforcement learning. Option D, deep learning. The correct answer is option C, reinforcement learning. Let's move to the next question. Question 7. Deep learning is effective because it breaks down big, complicated problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Let's move to the next question. Question 8. What enables computers to read, write, and understand text in natural language processing, NLP? Option A, reinforcement learning. Option B, deep learning. Option C, neutral networks. Option D, expert systems. The correct answer is option B, deep learning. Let's move to the next question. Question 9. If you are using a virtual assistant to set reminders and control smart home devices, which AL technology are you interacting with? Option A, machine learning. Option B, deep learning. Option C, natural language processing, NLP. Option D, reinforcement learning. The correct answer is option C, natural language processing, NLP. Let's move to the next question. Question 10. Google's DeepMind created a program called AlphaGo, which beat a world champion in the game of Go. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Let's move to the next question. Question 11. Imagine you are using an AL system that analyzes chemicals like a chemist. Which expert system are you likely using? Option A, Dendril. Option B, Mycin. Option C, Watson. Option D, AlphaGo. The correct answer is option A, Dendril. Let's move to the next question. Question 12. Which type of machine learning is like training a pet with rewards and penalties? Option A, supervised learning. Option B, unsupervised learning. Option C, reinforcement learning. Option D, deep learning. The correct answer is option C, reinforcement learning. Let's move to the next question. Question 13. Al continues to improve rapidly, with advancements in learning methods, data usage, and ethical considerations. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Let's move to the next question. Question 14. Expert systems in the 1980s and 1990s were designed to replicate the decision-making abilities of human experts. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Let's move to the next question. Question 15. Which model created by OpenAI in 2017 improved computers' ability to understand and use language? Option A, Dendril. Option B, Watson. Option C, GPT. Option D, AlphaGo. The correct answer is option C, GPT. Let's move to the next question. Question 16. In unsupervised learning, the computer learns to group data based on similarities without any labeled examples. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Let's move to the next question. Question 17. What significant event in AL history occurred in 2011? Option A, creation of Mycin. Option B, AlphaGo beating a world champion. Option C, IBM's Watson winning Jeopardy. Option D, development of the first neural network. The correct answer is option C, IBM's Watson winning Jeopardy. Let's move to the next question. Question 18. AL stands for artificial intelligence and refers to the intelligence demonstrated by machines. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Let's move to the next question. Question 19. What is the main goal of supervised learning in machine learning? Option A, to let the computer learn without any labeled examples. Option B, to teach the computer with labeled examples. Option C, to make decisions by trial and error. Option D, to group data based on similarities. The correct answer is option B, to teach the computer with labeled examples. Question 20. Which AL model created by Google's DeepMind beat a world champion in the game Go? Option A, Watson. Option B, AlphaGo. Option C, Mycin. Option D, GPT. The correct answer is option B, AlphaGo. All right, so we've successfully solved all 20 questions of the assessment. Now, to submit your test, just click on the Proceed to Section button and you're good to go. And finally, once you've clicked on Proceed to Section, the last step is to click on Finish Test. After that, you'll instantly get your result on the screen. That's it. You're done. That's it for today's video. We've solved all the questions, submitted the test, and seen the result. I hope this helped you complete your assessment with confidence. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe to the channel for more Infosys Springboard content, coding tutorials, and developer tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.